Welcome to the United Association of Moors, where we dare to invent the future. Our mission is to develop leaders prepared to create a better tomorrow through innovation, inspiration, and invention, with our Moor curriculum focused on social and wealth empowerment. Our focus is social entrepreneurship, a sector where we can rebuild wealth within our communities, which is essential considering the data of about 9% of African people being entrepreneurs in the United States, compared to Hispanic and Asians who amount to 20%, and or white counterparts who amount to approximately 71% of entrepreneurs in the United States alone. And there is a history that tells us that institutional racism has targeted and destroyed African businesses in the past. And this is something that is discovered in the Moor curriculum. Throughout the Moor Curriculum social entrepreneurship program, youth leaders are expected to identify local problems within their community. And throughout the program, they're going to be identifying potential solutions to these problems in innovative and creative ways. And by the end of the program, they should be able to grasp the concept of investment as it pertains to investing in real estate, stocks, crypto, and or self, hence entrepreneurship. So by the end of the program, youth leaders are expected to have developed a business pitch, a business plan, and a business presentation. The Moor program expects that youth leaders are going to complete their program assignments efficiently and in its entirety. One of these assignments entails youth meeting into their investment groups of about 4 to 5 people, where they're going to be investing on the stock market game of 4 to 5 companies, investing about $20,000 to $30,000 per week. What also entails is that this is going to involve having financial analysis report each week. So this is going to total 6 financial reports that are done within these investment groups of 4 to 5 people. And this should be sent directly to the director of the program. The next assignment are going to be weekly current events of things that's going on in your local community. Keep in mind, this could also tie back to historical events and you relate it back to current events that's going on in the present time. And these current events should be 300 to 500 words. This is going to entail 6 current events weekly. And whoever has a very well-written and thoughtful current event has the opportunity to be published on the Moor search site. The next assignment that we previously went over is a 10 business pitch deck, a 4 to 9 page business proposal, a 3 to 5 minute video presentation of the business. All of these things will be thoroughly gone over throughout the program, so youth are familiar with how to construct these assignments. Another piece of the program is that it's very cultural intensive. So throughout the program, youth leaders will be given written assignments, reading articles, books, and video documentaries to learn about the history of African people as it pertains to DC and America and worldwide. The outcomes are acquiring funding for investments, publishing opportunities, knowledge of social structures, gaining time management skills, understanding the impact of collaboration, focusing on community building, and understanding the strength in organizing. Youth leaders should leave the program having more insights on self and embodying the power of unity, understanding that the African people are worldwide and together we are one. Madase. You can learn more at www.moorsearch.org or follow us on IG at muurz.z, Twitter, moorserp. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to check us out at the site. Salam.